Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to change your business registration date in your PayPal account. So for that guys, first of all you will need to log into your account in your computer and then get on the top right corner and now select on account settings. Now select on this business information and now select this update option. Now scroll down and select this edit option of this your business information category. And now as you can see the registration date here, now you guys can change your registration date according to yourself, and after changing your date like this you just need to select on this save button right here, and that's how you guys can successfully change your business registration date in your PayPal account. So that's how you guys can do it, and that's it for the video guys. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to share this video with your family and friends, and also subscribe to our channel for more such content. And thanks for watching.